It's a very cold and dark morning here. It's only 6 a.m. I think, because today we are going on a little bit of an adventure. There is a piece of wood that I have found that I sort of can't believe this deal is true, but we're gonna go and hope that it is. We're gonna load up the truck with some straps and gloves and tape measures and coffee, and we're gonna go find out if this thing is real. So let me back up and explain a little bit. There is a project that I've had rattling around in my brain for probably as long as I've been woodworking, but I need a giant, basically I need a solid cube of wood in order to do this project. And so I've kind of had it in the back of my mind every time I'm on Facebook Marketplace, and I think I finally have found it. This table concept needs a solid cube of wood, and I need it to be like 18 or 20 inch tall cube, and it needs to be like a one solid piece of wood. It can't be like glued up laminated pieces. So I've been on the hunt for the right piece of wood for this project, and I've not been like looking super seriously, but every time I'm on Facebook or at a lumber yard, I've been looking for the right chunk of wood. So finally I came across this listing on Facebook Marketplace for basically it's a whole log that somebody had squared up and then for some reason gave up on, leaving it like an 18 inch by 20 inch cube or something like that, and it's like 8 or 9 feet long. Through the conversation and trying to figure out where he was and all that kind of stuff, he alluded to the idea that there was 2 logs very similar to this that were almost perfect for what I wanted, and the price was really, really good. So we're gonna try to buy both of them, but of course I want to see them first and see if this is legit. I think I'm here. I hope this is the right place. Guess we'll find out. They seemed a little shocked that I was here already, for one, which is weird. And then they kind of looked at me like I was crazy because I showed up with this, an F-150. I was a little worried about that, but I guess we'll just see how it goes. I don't know how heavy they are. I have an idea, but it's kind of hard to say. It's definitely too much weight for me to take both of them, so I'm gonna have to come back for the second one. I was overly optimistic that both of them would fit, but they kind of looked at me like I was crazy, even with the one. But the other one's even a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna have to find a trailer or something and come back for it. It sucks because this is like an hour and a half away, but I'm gonna have to drive all the way back up here. Making sure this didn't shift before I get on the highway. made it. Now we gotta get it out. Yeah. Just go slow, it'll be okay. Good. Alright, stop there.
And trying to go up.
Try to tilt back.
Tilt back?
Yeah. Oh, all day, son.
Yeah, we're good, right?
I mean, I wouldn't like drive across the country like that, but
If I clear up your truck,
yep.
we're on there completely, right?
Yeah, I mean it's lifting up on that end, but
We're good, right?
yeah, you're clear.
Woo! Yeah, you want to set that? Go back a little bit. Should be good.
All right. Try to go back now.
Wait, let me.
No, you were better the other way. Thank you to NOLA Mattress for sponsoring today's video. Head on over to nolamattress.com/samgreen and use code SAMGREEN to save $50 off your mattress. NOLA is an award-winning brand known for its cooling technology, exceptional pressure relief, and long-lasting durability, and it's conveniently shipped to your door for free. Any of you guys that know me know I take my sleep extremely seriously, and so having a good mattress is key to getting a great night's sleep. While I just picked up this mattress recently, I am really loving how it is already. The cooling top is keeping me nice and comfortable. I tend to be a really hot sleeper, and that is a wonderful benefit to just keep things cool and comfortable. I tend to be a side sleeper, so I ended up picking the Evolution series mattress with the cooling top, because that way on my side, I am nice and comfortable and supported. With that cooling top, I am staying cool and comfortable throughout my night and making sure I wake up nice and rejuvenated and ready to take on the day.
NOLA mattresses are designed, assembled, and shipped from their Arizona factory, and they do all of their own coiling, pouring, foam cutting, lamination, and sewing in-house to ensure quality at every step.
All of NOLA mattresses are made without harsh chemicals, so there won't be any dangerous off-gassing, and you can sleep assured that you and your family will be safe. Unlike other brands, NOLA mattresses use no fiberglass in their construction, which can be detrimental to your health. And the best part, these mattresses are shipped directly to your door with free shipping inside the United States. And if you're nervous about buying something that you haven't got a chance to try, NOLA offers a 120-night sleep trial, giving you more than 3 months to make sure that you love the mattress. NOLA offers a limited lifetime warranty, and they even offer flexible payment options and financing to make sure that you can get into the mattress that's right for you.
I am loving my NOLA mattress, and I think that you will too. If you are looking for a new bed, head to nolamattress.com/samgreen and use code SAMGREEN to get an additional $50 off your order. This is an additional discount on top of any of the offers that are already on site. Thank you, NOLA Mattress, for sponsoring. Now let's get back to the build.
So I got it marked out, slightly oversized. Now I'm gonna take it outside and try to cut it. First one went really well. It's hemlock, so it's not that hard. The chainsaw tore right through it, even with that chain's not the sharpest. I'm gonna just do another one off the other end while I have it out, because the idea I have involves a cube and there's a good chance that I'm gonna ruin it once, so give myself a couple tries. I'm hesitant to cut the middle part because the guy at the sawmill told me that there was metal in it, which I think is what this blue could be from, but I don't see anything in it that, like, I stabbed around in these dark spots with a knife, and I don't have a metal detector with me, but I don't know, but I don't want to ruin it. But it looks clean and clear on this end, so if I take the two ends and I'll just leave the middle part whole for now, but that'll at least give me 2 tries for now, and then eventually I have to go back and get the other big log still, but we're just trying to coordinate schedules because it's kind of far away.
And there you have it. I got 2 of these cubes roughed out. So now we're ready to start on the project that I want to do. But we're going to leave the video here and pick this up in a couple weeks. I have to finish a dining table that I'm working on. So I'm going to get that done. And then we're going to come back to creating this table that I have an idea for. And hopefully these things don't explode. In the meantime, they are already starting to get some cracks and splits. They are still wet, so that's part of the issue. But I think that it's still enough to do this concept that I have in mind. But that being said, I've got a bunch of this. There's a whole nother log that I still need to go pick up. So I'd love to hear your input down below on other ideas that you have that we could do something with giant pieces of wood. Any kind of like cool conceptual furniture, carving, art type things is what I'm looking to do. So leave a comment down below, say what's up. Make sure you're subscribed and following along because we're going to do something really, really cool with these.